Alright, dropshipping gang, welcome to day 36 of our challenge where I'm taking an eBay store and scaling it all the way up to making $1,000 to $3,000 every single month. Now, we're currently at 8,320. Let's go ahead and check out our traffic. I believe we had around 14 sales or so. So let's go down and have a look at it. 21.60, 19.60, 36.60, 18.40 plus the $20, 10.60, 23.60, 28.60, 35.60, 34.60, 17.60, 15.60, 14.60, 15.60, 54.72, 48.60, and that's it for today's. So let's go up and check our traffic. In the last 30 days, we had 11.7 million impressions, followed by 14,334 listing views. Now we're currently at 177 quantity sold, minus 11 that came in the next day. We are at click-through rate of 0.1%, and the sales conversion rate is 1.3%. Let's go to our impression and check our impression. We had very close to 700,000 impressions, and our listing views was little above 1,000 listing views that day, and our sales were 14. 5 of them came from organic and 9 of them came from promoted. So my challenge was that I wanted to make $1,000 to $3,000 in net profit starting up an account within the first 90 days. I needed to hit this mark. Now, I've already completed this challenge. I already made $1,044. That's in net profit, not including the items that was out of stock, not including anything else. And this isn't revenue. This is just a net profit, $1,044. Starting an account from literally zero within the 34 days. I've taken this account and made $1,044 in net profit. So technically, I have already fulfilled what I told you that I was going to do. This is not a surprise to me. I've obviously repeated the same process over and over and over, and I've shared 34 days of documentation with you guys, and this is the 35th day. Just a little reminder, if you guys are interested in this, you can comment down interested and I'll reach out to you. If you want to partner up with me, we can go ahead and partner up, or if you want me to hold your hand personally and mentorship you and tell you all about my system where you can go ahead and replicate all of this for yourself, you can go ahead and type mentorship and we'll be in touch. Without further ado, that is it for today's guys. Stay tuned for the next upcoming video, which is tomorrow, and take care of yourself.